Nice tunnel road.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Well. You all might think the time is 2:30 right now. I guess you all can see the time. It's 2:30 right now, and you might be wondering where am I going right now. Well, to be very honest with you, last time I did this Ranipuram trip. As you all are aware, I was supposed to go via Nagarhole, come out via Kutta, and then while coming back, then head towards Ranipuram, and then while coming back, I was supposed to do the Dubare Elephant Camp and get back. But unfortunately, Nagarhole, the two-wheelers were not allowed. As I told you, two-wheelers are not allowed in Nagarhole. So I was just thinking what to do, how do I cover this? Well, I was talking to a couple of my subscribers. They said, sir, why don't we go for the morning 6 a.m. Safari? So I headed towards Nagarhole and Dubare for the 6 a.m. Safari on a Sunday, January 2021's ride has just begun, and wishing everyone a happy new year. Sorry for the late wishes. Yeah, we will be going to Nagarhole. From there we will be going to Dubare Elephant Camp and get back to Bangalore. Now I have two of my subscribers. At the same time, I have two of my mechanics also. They wanted to join with me for a ride. I said, come, let's do it. Stay tuned, ride along with me, enjoy the ride. Please subscribe in case if you have not. Plus press the bell icon in case if you're not, for further notifications. Let's go, let's travel.
Let's go. Om Namah Shivaya. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Let's do this. I might have to adjust the camera. Let me see. Let me check. They're all set. So just need to go ahead and pick up the mechanic right now. His name is Syed Motor Works, and I have Naveen also joining me. Naveen works with Raghuram, which is located out of Kasturi Nagar, New Bike Junction. This is how it looks in the night. All empty. These guys want to break the rule though. This is Syed from Syed Motor Works. This boy is a good mechanic. ACP's Jeep is going.
Recording.
Nice tunnel road. Nice painting would have been done. If the paintings were really nice, it would be really good. These guys have missed the road right now, and I'm waiting for them. Let's wait. Let's go slow.
Recording.
Well, reached Hunsur. As you all are aware, from Hunsur to Nagarole, the gate is approximately 25 kilometers. And to be honest, we are late again for the safari. I don't think so we can make it up, but still try go up to the gate and check. If not, we'll try to do the safari by 3:30. There's another safari. Till then, what to do in Nagarole is a question mark. We will be spending some time somewhere there. Let's see. Road is filled with mist. Hope you all can see it clearly. It goes on. The jungle resorts and everything will start now from here. I'll show you in some time.
Recording.
Well, this is one of the last but not the least village. Towards the forest, I can see a lot of dogs, stray dogs. More to go. 17 kilometers is to the gate. Not inside Nagarole, it's to the gate. Here you will find lot of fencings. Fencing ನೋಡು. ಆಚೆ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡ್ದಾ? This is the last village. A lot of villages. Says drive slow, 30 kilometers per hour. Well, you can see the trench going there. This is for the animals not to come this side. From here, the road is little bad up to the gate because it's again the forest area. You can see the trench, the complete trench and the fence, because they don't want the animals to come this side, especially the elephants should not come this side. And these are the electric fence. On to my right hand side, you can see the electric fence. Here comes the final gate, and hope to get the safari very soon. This is Nagarhole. Safari start ಆಗೋಯ್ತಾ? ಹೊರಟ್ರಾ? 6:30 ಸರ್. ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, 2 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ರಾತ್ರಿ. ಹಾಂ, ನಮ್ಮದು ಬೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೇ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಿಡಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನೀವು? ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀರ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? Well, we couldn't do the safari at Nagarole, so what we decided is we'll do the safari at 3:30 p.m. Before that, we thought of going to Dubare Elephant Camp, finishing that, and then 3:30 p.m. we would be doing it from the Kutta side, and then we would be continuing that belt and getting out. Now this is the Priyapatna road to Dubare Elephant Camp. I'm very much new on this road, so would be riding very slow. Don't know, they say elephant crossing, lot of other things. The forest is heavy here, tight. The forest is tight, really tight. Up there, peacock! Priyapatna is just 10 kilometers from here. Enjoy the forest, guys. Enjoy the forest. There's an umbrella here. Umbrella. Well, we have reached the elephant camp, Dubare Elephant Camp. 11:30 it closes. Usually it is up to 11, but on a weekend it is up to 11:30. Let's see our luck.
ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೈ അതൊക്കെ വെച്ചെടുക്കണേ. മറ്റേ വണ്ടില്ല.
Recording.
Well, I had a nice, nice visit in Dubare Elephant Camp. Unfortunately, we were late. 11:30 it closes off on a weekend, but on a weekday it is up to 11 o'clock. And the elephants, they go into the forest, and evening they would come back. So, got happened to see few elephants, not all. By the time we could go, the elephants already had their bath and they were on the way going inside. Now we are heading towards Gonikupa. One is Gonikupa, and from Gonikupa we will be going to Kutta. From Kutta, that is the Nagarhole, the other gate, Kutta gate. From there we will be doing a safari, a jungle safari. So this is the Kutta route, which is like not the Kutta route, it's the Gonikupa route. Need to go to Gonikupa first and then go to Kutta. So from the Dubare camp to Gonikupa is closely about 35 kilometers. Kind of a semi-forest road. You can see it's a semi-forest. So this coffee estate also in between. In between there are coffee estates. Now we are riding through the coffee estate. Enjoy the ride. Well, we have reached Nagarhole from Kutta side. So now we would be going and taking the safari tickets immediately. The vehicle is ready, Rajiv Gandhi National Park. It's just waiting for its passengers. Once if it is filled, it will go. So this is the park. Let's enjoy. I'll take you in there. Now we are inside the forest for the safari. This is our driver Abhi. He has spotted a light. He's rushing. To show us. Stay tuned. Let's see where he's going to show us the light.
ರಂಜು ಕಾಟಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಾಟಿ ಕಾಟಿ ಕಾಟು ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.